we're doing and incorporating really sweet potato in everything we do on the show. My first recipe is a sweet potato hummus and bacon sandwich. Let me break that down for you. It's really simple. Sweet potato is one of those ingredients that really can substitute for potatoes and anything that you need a kind of starchy vegetable for. I remember doing this particular recipe back on Cup of Joe with Elizabeth Montano, lady. That's right, Marshall Montano's mother. She came on the show and we did a beet hummus for Mrs. Montano, and it was really a classic. And since then, we've been kind of really substituting and incorporating different ingredients into our hummus. So what's a hummus? Sweet potato meets chickpea, chana, and comes together and creates a wonderful, nice, almost spread that you can use on a sandwich. This is all about Kiss sandwiches, and we are using the Kiss Hamburger Bun today. So let's get cracking with my hummus. So I have here some chana out of the tin, guys. Make sure you drain and wash properly. So you add your chana straight there. To that, I have my sweet potato, the star of the show. Picked it up at the Namdefco market, as you saw this weekend. And I boiled the sweet potato, and I really just want to put a very nice, simple, rough chop. It's a lovely ingredient. I have really grown to love it. And I've been having a lot of it these days because I've been trying to eat healthy, which you will hear about as well. So I add my sweet potato to my chana. Yeah. And then I can start just seasoning them up. I'll add some salt. Yeah, some pepper. And to that, I have some garlic. I can throw it in there. I just like to probably release the flavors of the garlic, give it a nice little mash, and throw about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic in there. To that, I have some lime juice. I have about 2 tablespoons of lime juice that I'll add in there. A little bit of paprika. I love paprika. There's a smoked paprika. It's not always available, but when you get it, the smoked paprika really does do something to most of your dishes. To that, I have some shadow benny, also picked up at the Namdefco market. Great stuff. Quick, and just add the shadow benny in there. Nice little local flavor. Pepper sauce. So I just probably want, as I said, I am a medium pepper kind of guy. I am not heavy pepper. I am medium pepper. If you like heavy pepper, you hit the heavy pepper in a food processor. The food processor ready to go, and you can start giving it a little pulse. So you just get it started, and I have about a half cup of olive oil that I will start adding in here. And that should be good. That should just be good. Smooth and creamy, almost like a paste. And that's kind of what you're looking for. Most times with this dish, I really find that you can use different ingredients and the hummus can take on a whole new different level, new different flavor, other than what is traditionally done, where you use tahini paste. And yeah, I mean, it's lovely. I eat it all the time. But you can take dishes to another level when you experiment, and you know how I like to experiment with recipes. What I'm going to do today, it's all brought to you by the folks at Kiss Bread. And Kiss and Rich Breads, we're using the bun. So I'm actually going to make a sandwich with this hummus spread, sweet potato hummus spread. I'm going to make 2 sandwiches just in case you want one. It really is, guys, something that you would normally have with chips, some carrot sticks, and that type of thing. But this way, I just found it was so creative using it as a spread and very filling and satisfying with the Kiss enriched bread. So I actually have some hummus here that I prepared. Look at that. Look how pretty. Look how wonderful. And I can start preparing my sandwich. So it's just like, think a cheese piece. Fantastic. So a nice little spread on one side. I'll do the same for this guy. So I told you, you know me. I love to have some meat ever so often. So it's not just sweet potato hummus, but I'm doing a sweet potato hummus and bacon sandwich. I have lovely strips of bacon that I would have just simple fried, and I pile on some bacon on this sandwich. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I always love some peppers and onions. Decided not to use mushrooms. Don't ask me why. But just simple saute, salt, pepper, and I really just want to take a little bit of that, top it over the sandwich. I love onions. Yeah, onions is another ingredient that I can't do without most times once I'm in the kitchen. And I have some arugula lettuce. Any type of lettuce, guys, you have is fine. And you really just kind of top there. And just for good measure, I have some garlic sauce. Garlic sauce is just kind of perfect, just so it just kind of drizzles through the entire sandwich. And there you go, guys. I have two wonderful sandwiches right here that you can try. I feel to bite into one right now. Yeah? It's all about sweet potato. This one brought to you by the folks at Kiss Enriched Bread. Come on back, the sweet potato party continues. Home Sweet Home is brought to you by Kiss Enriched Bread. Fill your day with love.